Welcome to my ThatMuffinART channel. Here are some fun and easy craft ideas that are perfect for a school project. You can use Origami bookmarks. You need materials like colored paper, scissors, markers. Fold a square piece of paper into a triangle and fold the two corners toward the center to create a pocket. Decorate with cute animals, faces, and designs. Number 2 is paper flowers. You need materials like colored tissue paper, pipe cleaner, scissors. Stack 5 to 6 layers of tissue papers, fold them according style, and secure the middle with a pipe cleaner. Next is notepads. You need materials like paper, stapler, or glue decorative type. Cut small pieces of paper to your preferred size, tuck them and staple to top edge. Cover the top with decorative tape for a neat finish. Paper gift box. Materials like colored paper, scissors, glue, ribbon. Fold a square piece of paper into a box shape and secure it into different glue and a ribbon for a cute gift box. Next is paper lengtheners. Materials like colored instructions, paper glue, scissors. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Fold the paper in half and make small cuts along the fold. Unfold and roll it into a tube, securing with glue. Add a handle on top. Thanks for watching this video.